the drum. Baseline.
Hey, welcome back to Tenny channel. This is the app we got today. Took us 1 year to get here, but now we have a nice looking app. The app can be found in the App Store by typing Xdiamond. As you see, now we got the Christmas theme, full of color and snowflakes. But the road getting here was very challenging and hard, so don't skip the video and stick to see how we got here. The game is relaxing and easy to play, and at the bottom we have a switch for 2-player mode. We never intended to use classy symbols, so that's why we used diamonds and hearts. If you notice the intro, the game was created 1 year ago. But the new update 1.5 was released on 6 December this year on my St. Nicholas Day. Why it took us that much, you'll find out next. Many don't know, but developer program costs $99 per year, so we decided to integrate a top banner ad. For this we needed AdMob. Well, creating an AdMob account was easy, we just logged in with our AdSense account. The trouble was to come when we updated to macOS Sequoia. Well, for Google Ads to work you need something installed named CocoaPods, but in order for this to work you need something named Ruby Gems. Here's a video explaining more.
We're going to be using the Ruby Gems tool to install CocoaPods. So go ahead and type sudo gem update -- system, and you can enter your password there. You'll type sudo gem install CocoaPods, and that will install the CocoaPods tool.
So this is the part where new developers like me were going to get stuck. That whole tutorial was just going to give me Ruby version error. Took me 2-3 days to realize I have to install Homebrew in terminal, then to install rbenv, and with rbenv to install our Ruby version. Google was also now requesting new rules like GDPR for Europe, CCPA for USA, and now every app needed a tracking message from Apple. USA also wanted a separate entry point. So here I was in Grandma Village trying to trim this huge tree, and in the same day trying to write all the code for GDPR and CCPA. I was also needing a developer site now. My first attempt Google Sites domain was never going to work. Google wanted now a thing called app@txt at the root of your site. So 1 week I stay alone in the city trying to find a solution, from GitHub to Cloudflare and Blogger, until I found Vercel. I even came up with a nice design. The biggest delay was to come from Apple, and that for a diacritic in the name. They first sent me to download developer app, then they reset enrollment a few times, even asked to send my ID online. Help was going to come after 2 months from a senior advisor. Wanted to release the app before Easter as my brother was coming from UK. So in a hurry I put the developer site in the support URL. So for 2 months didn't see any impression, but got some recommendation from AdMob. This time I also came with the 4x5 cells update. Also I fixed this bug where you could press very fast and put 2 symbols before the other player. I had to run most of my tests on simulator, like adjusting scaling for iPad and other devices, as even today my only testing device is still the iPhone 7. Even for a simple app like this, for a startup developer takes a lot of time. Also don't expect to make any money in the first year. Still I was proud to achieving this Christmas update and the random AI now. If you want to test my game, just type Xdiamond in App Store. Wish you happy holidays.